Hey there, welcome to Wealth Insider. If you just got your first paycheck and you're wondering, how do I make the most of it? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to teach you a simple way to budget your first paycheck like a pro. Ready? Let's dive in. First off, congratulations on earning your first salary. This is a big deal. It's the first step towards financial independence, so take a moment to celebrate that achievement. Maybe treat yourself to something small and meaningful. As a reminder of this milestone, a journal to track your finances, or even a framed paycheck stub for nostalgia. But here's the thing, how you handle your money now will set the tone for your financial future. So let's get it right. Part 1. Understanding your paycheck. Key terms to know. Gross income. This is your total pay before deductions. Net income. This is the amount that actually lands in your bank account after deductions. Always take time to review your payslip. Is there a retirement contribution, health insurance, taxes? Understanding these deductions gives you a clear picture of how much you really have to work with. It's also a great time to research any benefits your employer might offer, like matching retirement contributions, which is essentially free money for your future self. Part 2. The 50-30-20 rule. One of the easiest ways to budget is by using the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% for needs: rent, food, transport, and utility bills. These are the essentials you can't live without. 30% for wants, fun stuff like dining out, hobbies, or even saving for a new gadget. 20% for savings and debt repayment, emergency fund, investments, or paying off loans. If your essentials exceed 50%, that's your signal to adjust, whether that's finding a roommate or meal prepping to save on food costs. Part 3. Embrace side hustles. If your essentials take up more than 50% and cutting back isn't enough, consider starting a side hustle. Some ideas include freelancing in something you're skilled at, selling handmade crafts or thrifted finds online, teaching a skill you know, like music or coding. Even earning an extra $100 a month can make a huge difference. Part 4. Automate your savings. Set up a standing order to transfer 20% of your salary into a separate savings or investment account as soon as you get paid. If you're unsure where to put your money, start with a high-yield savings accounts for your emergency fund, or try mutual funds for steady growth. Part 5. Track your spending. Use apps like Mint or YNAB, or even a simple Excel sheet to see where your money is going. For the first 2 months, track every penny to identify patterns and ask yourself, how much are you really spending on coffee or impulse buys? Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself, it's about prioritizing what matters most to you. Part 6. What are you saving for? Could it be a short-term goal like taking vacation or buying a new phone? Or could it be a medium-term goal like buying a car or starting your own business? Or could it be a long-term goal like buying a house or retirement? Always assign a specific amount to each goal. For instance, saving $100 a month for a vacation means you'll have $1,200 in a year, which is enough for a memorable trip. Part 7. Watch out for these pitfalls. 1. Lifestyle inflation. Don't upgrade every part of your lifestyle just because you're earning. 2. No emergency fund. Build a safety net with 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. 3. Ignoring debt. Make paying off high-interest loans a priority. The faster you're debt-free, the more financial freedom you'll have. Part 8. Understanding investments. If you're curious about investments, here's a quick crash course. 1. Company retirement plans. If your employer matches contributions, take full advantage of it. 2. Beginner-friendly options. Start with mutual funds or ETFs. 3. Compound interest. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Part 9. Bonus tips for budgeting success. Here are a few bonus tips to make budgeting even smoother. 1. Emergency fund. Set aside a small amount each month for guilt-free splurges. 2. Budget check-ins. Review your budget monthly and tweak it based on your actual expenses. 3. Accountability. It's always good sometimes to share your goals with a trusted friend or family member who can keep you on track, and make sure you're sticking to your plans. And that, guys, is how you budget your first salary. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how well you manage it. Budgeting is a journey, so start small, stay consistent, and celebrate every win. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Also, Let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you're saving for? Until next time, keep building your wealth.